So ako, lessons in life to. Kasi sa murang edad, hindi natin iniisip yung mga insurance na yan kung mahalaga ba o hindi.
Oo.
Kumbaga, kukuha tayo, pag di na natin kayang panindigan, bibitawan natin. Ganun ang tendency natin.
Yeah.
Pero honestly, as we grow old, dun malalaman na napakahalaga pala nung little investments mo nung kabataan mo.
Oh.
Kasi mas bata ka nag-invest, mas
Oo.
maagang matatapos yung binabayaran mo like for insurance.
Yes. Oo.
Kumbaga, mas may enjoy mo ngayon ang earnings mo with a security na kapag may nangyari, may madudukot ka.
Okay.
And when it comes to investment, napakahalaga rin. Hindi lang tayo magpo-focus ngayon sa isang source of income. Kumbaga, may trabaho ka. If you have the capacity to actually invest on a business, do it. Pero pag-aralan mong mabuti. Kasi risky yun.
Yeah.
Ito yung sinasabi lagi ng mga negosyante. You do not put your eggs in one basket.
Oo. Nowadays, especially
Kailangan.
nowadays, Coach Tons, alam natin yan. Hindi pwedeng, ako halimbawa, ako ay isang empleyado at ako'y aasa lamang sa aking sweldo. Hindi po pwede yung ganon. Lalo't kung meron kang halimbawa pinapaaral, meron kang hinuhulugang bahay, di ba? Meron kang coaching hinuhulugan. Sometimes sabi mo nga, sabi mo, Coach Tons, you don't have to put your egg in
you don't put your eggs in one basket. Kasi,
correct.
Baka mawala yan. Or you don't have to have like just one source of income or finances. Kailangan you be creative in looking for some ways. Halimbawa, ako, nasa corporate ako.
Yes.
But there are days when I was younger, there are days na tumatanggap ako ng mga hosting jobs.
Yes, I know that.
Oo, ayun. Yeah, that's an extra income for you. And then at the same time, hinahanapan mo rin ng pwedeng pagpuntahan yung talent mo kung paano ka kikita bukod sa day-to-day work mo.
And not only that, Coach Tons, yung mga mommies natin, marunong mag-bake, mag-bake ng cookies, pastries, meron kayong talent, pagluto or whatever, gamitin nyo to earn extra income, di ba, Coach Tons? Oo.
And we are talking about investment.
Yeah.
Ang investment naman, hindi lang yan sa pagtatayo ng negosyo or what. You invest on yourself too. Kumbaga, may mga gusto kang gawin, mag-aral ka kung may time ka rin lang at budget. Halimbawa, aralin mo AI, aralin mo ang ibang linya. Kumbaga, IT, music, any lines na sparks your interest. Try to enter and try to invest on it. Kasi self-improvement din yan at magagamit mo sa mga haharapin mo pang mga adventures or new ventures para sa sarili mo.